Organizing dresser drawers efficiently can save time and make it easier to find what you need. Here are 6 ways to achieve that. Number 1. Declutter and categorize. Start by removing everything from the dresser drawers and sorting items into categories, such as shirts, pants, socks, undergarments, etc. Discard or donate items you no longer need or use. Number 2. Use drawer dividers. Invest in drawer dividers or use DIY options like small boxes or cut-up shoeboxes to create separate compartments within the drawers. This will help keep items separated and prevent them from mixing together. Number 3. Fold clothes neatly. Practice the KonMari folding method or any other folding technique such as rolling them neatly. Neatly folded clothes take up less space and are easier to access. Arrange them vertically to see all items at a glance. Number 4. Arrange by frequency of use. Place items you use most frequently toward the top of the drawer for easy access. Less commonly used items can be placed lower in the drawer. Number 5. Utilize drawer organizers, such as small bins, trays, or fabric organizers, to store accessories like jewelry, scarves, belts, and ties. Keeping these items contained prevents them from becoming tangled and makes them easier to find. And number 6. Label or color code. If you have multiple dresser drawers, consider labeling or color coding them based on the contents. This makes it easier to quickly identify which drawer contains specific items. I hope this was helpful for you. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for further fun and helpful hints. Now for the bonus tip. Periodically review and maintain the organization. As you use items, put them back in their designated places to keep the drawers tidy and efficient. Thank you for visiting my channel.